Mason Williams. He's gonna play for us with this strange bow with very concert outfit, like a concert pianist. He's gonna play for us his recital program. So we're just rehearsing. What is the first piece? First piece, Etude, and second piece, I guess it will be a Dad's Dune Buggy. Okay. Clap, clap, clap. I know, I cannot clap because my hands...
Wait, do you hear that?
What? What?
That ringing?
Ringing?
Like the, ding-ding-ding, ding-ding.
No.
Like, when you know?
You know, we in the camera, like I'm recording your rehearsal for recital. Can we talk about this later? Can you focus on the second piece, please, Mason? Okay, this was rehearsal. Now it's gonna be real rehearsal. One more time, everything one more time, and I wanna you play the end of the Dad's Dune Buggy, not too fast. Play normal speed, okay? Otherwise, like kids running, father running, and they left the car, and
Don't they want to do that?
but they wanna bring the car home.
They want to get rid of it because it's broken.
Mom will be upset. They need to bring the car and sell it, broken car, or fix it.
Someone will find it in the middle of the road, then they will take it.
Mom will be upset, not happy. Where's the car? Why did you drop it? Why did you leave it? No, go get back. And you're gonna run back the same speed. So keep the same speed and play musically. Can you play like beautifully?
Yeah.
Focusing on your story, not just banging the notes with no sense. Can you make some sense?
Yes.
Okay, start over from the beginning. Etude. I want you to start like before. Etude first. Second piece. did not listen, Miss Elsa. She said play the same speed and you still sped up last part. Da 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 da. No, if you play the beginning, da 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 dum. Da 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 da, like that. Okay. One more time. Third time. Real performance. Okay, no excuses now. Play beautifully. Your goal is play. Sit up straight as a tall tree, Mason. Goal is play beautiful, right? No? Play ugly?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Our goal play ugly. Sit up straight. Okay. Mason, what are you doing? If you play this part slower, it means the end needs to be even more slower. I would do a little bit faster the beginning whole piece if you can. Can I finish what I was saying?
Mhm.
I already said what I wanted. What did I say? You repeat now.
You said if I do it a little bit more slower at the beginning, at the end it should be even more slower, and that'll be worse. Because at the end I'm supposed to do it slower, and at the beginning I'm
Okay, so what is your goal right now? What you gonna? How you gonna?
do faster at the beginning.
Okay, I would just play like you played before because it's gonna be confusing. Okay, just play like you played, but the end, slow down.
Okay.
And don't bang the last note. It's like scares me. It's like more than broken car. Sound like an explosion, like a bomb. Like oh my god, scary. It's scary. Okay. Mason, what is this? You should get some sound. They get excited, isn't it? Stop now. Stop now. I don't want you play over my voice or my voice over your playing. Can you like hear I stop speaking and after that you start? Okay. I like this version from all. And now you can play your etude one more time, Mason. Come on, do your best in the etude, okay? It's okay. It was actually the best version from all. I like the best. Can you comment on the last chord, please? You comment. You played. You heard how you played.
I did it soft, and
Was it exactly like we wanted, or something was not exactly like we wanted?
exactly like we.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
It's in a video.
Show me.
I'll show you, but I want you to answer the questions first. We
'Cause
wanted.
it's softer that we can't hear it.
No, it was softer. It was good. Only that those notes was not perfectly together. This is what we were working last time. Remember, they need to be together, but it's okay. You did your best. How old are you now?
8.
You are 8.
I'll
Okay.
be 9 in January.
Okay, Mason. Private information. Don't give all.
Oh
No.
gosh.
Now we know you
I
like.
didn't tell them my name.
I told your name. Forgot. Actually, this is not Mason. I totally mixed up. It's his name is Bill.
Yeah.
Billy.
No,
Billy
my
Joe.
name's Jason.
All right, he's Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's not 8 actually. He's like
I am 8, but I'm still Jason.
I think he's 10 or maybe
10.
6. Okay, everyone who heard how old is he, forget it. Bye.